up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Guys, in today's video, I would like to introduce y'all to my 1996 Pontiac Trans Am. Her name is Cora. Oh my goodness. I know her hood and whatnot, but I just wanted to give y'all a quick walk around because we got some stuff coming to the channel with her. We got many mods and different repairs going on. And you know, this is a true Ws6 car, window sticker and everything. But I just wanted to show you guys the latest vehicle to our channel. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have more videos coming soon, very soon, honestly. But I just wanted to get a little quick overview of what she looks like. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll probably add some B-roll or some things at the end. So hope you guys enjoy this one. See you in the next one, and thank you for watching.